Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to calculate kurtosis on Excel. So first we need to know what is kurtosis. Kurtosis, it tells about the flatness of the curve. It tells about whether the normal probability curve or normal distribution is flat or peaked, or it is similar to normal curve. So to calculate kurtosis on Excel, first we need to have some data. So I'm going to type here data, serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we can have weight of this 10%. Suppose 52 kg, 55, 63, 72, 51, 56, 65, 59, 68, 71. So now we are having the weight of this 10 people. So to calculate kurtosis on Excel, first we need to click in any cell of this Excel where you want to calculate the kurtosis. So I want to calculate in this particular cell. So first we have to put equal to. Then type KURT. Now you can see here one tab is open, KURT, that is kurtosis. We have to double click on this particular tab and it will show the number 1, number 2, means whatever data you are having, that you have to put here within the bracket. So our data, we have to select our data. I'm going to select it. So our data is from B2 cell to B11 cell. After this, just close the bracket, then enter. Now we got the kurtosis value. That is 1 minus 1.54. So what does it mean? What is the meaning of this value? Minus 1.54. So if the kurtosis value is greater than 1, if the kurtosis value is greater than +1, means the kurtosis, the curve is too pitted. And if the kurtosis value is less than 1, means less than -1, means the kurtosis is too flat. So here our kurtosis value is minus 1.54. So we can say the kurtosis is flat. This is the way we can calculate kurtosis on Excel. Thank you.